So welcome to KO tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the modeling of this military truck over here. So now what I'll be doing over here is like, I'll just go over here and let's take a line. So this is a bit of a tricky part over here. I'll just go into this and I'll slightly just drag it down in this way, shuffle this a bit out, select this, and let's go over here, enable in viewport. I'll slightly just increase its thickness, slightly increase its thickness over here. That's the width part. So I'll go into this again, I'll select the vertices, I'll just push it a bit in this way. So convert to poly. So let's just convert to editable poly. Select this, select the vertices, I'll slightly drag it in this way. First I'll slightly shuffle it out, select the vertices, drag it over here. So I can push it a bit inside if needed. So you can see that I can drag it a bit down as well. Over here, select this, push it inside, select this, select the edges, and you can slightly give a bit of chamfer. So you can assign a bit of chamfer over here. So slightly assign a chamfer. Similarly, I'll go over here, select the vertices, and let's give a bit of fillet to it. I can slightly assign a bit of fillet. Very less. And once the fillet is assigned, that's the door part. So I'll slightly give a modifier. So we'll assign a modifier over here. So before you assign a modifier, make sure this is a bit down over here in this way. So the shade is a different part. So make sure you are assigning it slowly. Now go over here. So there are multiple details, so mostly we'll be creating it separately. So whenever you are creating such kind of a model, that's the hard surface modeling. So we'll be creating this separately. So let's again go over here and let's take a box. So let's just take a box over here, drag it down. So we'll just push it in this way. convert to poly, slightly push this out. Let's select the swift loop over here and select this edges. I can just extrude it slightly, push it a bit inside, and let's give chamfer and click OK. So once this is done, I can even put some loops over here in this way. And let's give one connect. So I'll just scale it and let's drag it down, but make sure when you're dragging it down, the shape should not be changed. So I'll just again make it normal. Let's put one loop here as well. So select the polygons, so I can just bridge it. So before you bridge this, I'll put one loop here as well. So select the polygons and this, bridge this. So better what I'll do is I'll just shuffle this a bit up over here in this way. This looks better now. I'll just drag it over here, push it up, shuffle it a bit down in this way. Now again I'll go over here, let's take a line, let's save the file once. So there are multiple details, we need to go through that. So select the vertices, let's give fillet in this way, and let's just drag it over here. So let's give a extrude modifier in this way, push it over here. So let's just duplicate it, convert to poly. So I'll go over here, I'll take a cylinder, I'll activate the auto grid and I'll just push it till here, reduce the height over here. So if you are going with this small entities, it's going to take time. Now again I'll go down, let's create a box over here. So I'll just hide this, create a box, auto key, I'll activate it in this way, convert to poly, select the edges over here, So let's put some swift loop here and here. Select the polygons and let's extrude it down. Push that down. Let's again put one loop. Select this polygons. Put one loop over here. Put one here. Select this polygons and let's give bridge over here in this way. So select this edges, this and this, and let's give a bit of chamfer over here. So let's click OK. So select this polygons again. So I'll just put one loop over here. Select this. And just extrude it a bit out. Click OK. And let's extrude it down over here in this way. So you can just drag this down. Let's put two edges again over here. Select the polygons. I'll save the file once. Let's just bridge it. Again put a swift loop and let's extrude it further till here, and I'll put one loop down in this way, and then you can just create the chain section over here. I'll just unhide. I'll just push this up slightly. See, there are a lot of details over here whenever you are creating such kind of models over here. So we might require some other references as well over here to generate this details. So I'll just go over here. I'll just give one color to it. So just take a standard material. I'll just give a color to it. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So we have just started with this particular tutorial. It's going to take time. If you are not subscribed my YouTube channel, please do subscribe. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.